Here I have ALCATEL 1C 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to enter testing menu on this device. So all you need to do is just open keypad and enter the secret code, which is *pound 2886 pound, and that's how you can enter this menu. So by tapping on the manual, you can test different features of your device like keypad, LCD test, main camera, front camera, like audio, vibration, and other features from this list to see how they work, if there's any issues or something like that. So if you want to exit this menu, just scroll down and select exit, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.